back to Food Travel Shopping channel, and you're watching another unboxing here. Today I am unboxing my latest kitchen gadget, and this is obviously the coffee machine here with Miele. So it's the Miele CM6150, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is so large, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'll talk about the machine.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's pretty gigantic here, and they packed up a little welcome package here. A little welcome pack. All right, so let's carefully move the foam out of the way first. All right, so let's move these out of the way. Okay, really overall nicely wrapped here. I just want to show you the machine here. Look at the beauty. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is a coffee machine that put the ground beans in, and it make a fresh ground coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso, double espresso, the latte macchiato. This is a super automatic coffee machine here. It does basically everything for you. So this is like where you go out and have a nice cup of coffee. This machine will do it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the costs and the initial setup with this machine here. Okay, so if you've been searching around and you wanted a Miele coffee machine, this is not the entry level. The entry level is the CM5300. This is the next level up. So the main difference with this one with the other one, this one has a profile that allow you to set up. So it's up to 4 profiles. So then each individual profile can set up a different, a specific to their, taste of coffee in terms of the water, how hot it is, how much milk you want to put in, etc. So those are the features that this machine that can be done. And this machine also has a timer that you can set a timer to turn on this machine. And the entry level, which is the CM5300, does not have those functions. So this is the 6150, and you can go up a next level, which is the 6350. And the only thing different is that there would be a nice LED light underneath here. On the top, it will warm up your cups. And then they will give you a stainless steel milk container. So when I ordered the machine, I actually did not order the CM6150. I ordered the generation that's one generation back, which is the 6110. So I got lucky because the company that I ordered, they were willing to, they don't have the 6110 in stock. They were willing to give me the latest version, the 6150 instead with the same price. So I'm going to review the price with you. Now, if you've been checking out with the Miele website, this CM6150, it costs $1,899, okay? So right now they're doing a instant rebate, $200 off, which means you can get this machine for $1,699. Now, I got a better deal because that particular company honored the same price. In terms of the 6110, I paid this machine for $14.99. I was ecstatic here. I got such a great deal. And also, no sales tax to the states where I'm living in. So that's pretty awesome. Now, total, if I were to pay tax, ordering it directly from Miele website, I would have to pay another roughly close to $200. So with all the cost saving, I got this. If it was $18.99 originally, the total cost of saving here was like close to $580. Okay, so close to $580 that I saved here. So I'm super lucky. I'm so happy. Now, if you wanted this machine and also interested in terms of where I got it, maybe it's still available to order the old coding, because as of right now I checked, online, they still have the old model. So you can still get the same pricing that I just did. I just have here with $14.99, I believe. Okay, hopefully they would honor it to you as well. Just go ahead and private message me by adding to our Facebook page, the Food Travel Shopping channel. Just search for our channel on Facebook and then private message me and I will give you the information. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found this useful. I'm going to show you how to set up this machine right now. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the welcome pack. So in the welcome pack, there's the cleaning tabs. So there's a cleaning tabs. Okay, I believe this is for the coffee. So fresh ground coffee can 1 scoop and put it into the dispenser here. So this is descaling. So the 2 tablets for this descaling. Okay, so this plate goes over here. So the stainless steel plates. And then of course the instruction manual here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the initial setup now. Now before we do that, let me just do a quick quick 360 degrees with you here. Okay, let's take a look at a closer look here in terms of this machine. So there's the power button right there. Espresso. And then your coffee. And then your coffee right here, cappuccino, latte. This is your personal profile. You can actually make 2 coffee at the same time. Looks pretty cool. This can be removed. This controls the how coarse you want or how fine of a grind in terms of your coffee. So it has a different level. Now when you move this, you want to move this one at a time. Okay, don't move it all the way up and all the way down. It is not recommended to do that because you might break the machine easily here. All right, so you want to just turn this tab 1 level at a time. All right, so this is coffee cartridge. This is magnetic, very interesting. I really love the back here. If you take a look at the back, it says the brand Miele. All right, so this machine is made in Switzerland. Pretty awesome. Miele is a German company. Family owned. Okay, so this is where the water tank is. All right, so inside here, this is the pipe for the milk frother. Okay, so that's good to remove. Let's go ahead and remove this. We have to remove all these and we're gonna actually wash them. Okay, so here's the top. Let me just put the water tank back in so then you can see the top here. So this is the top of the machine. This where it goes in your fresh beans. This goes into one particular grounded coffee. Sometimes your guests wanted decaf and you can actually put that decaf right there. All right, so I'm gonna clean all the components first. I'm gonna actually remove the protective here for the stainless steel plates. Let's remove that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything first. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some soapy water to wash here. You can definitely put these in a dishwasher. All of these parts here is dishwasher safe. So, but I'm just gonna go hand wash them. So just be a little bit more delicate the very first time that I'm using it. So this is the recommendation. Go ahead and wash everything. Okay, one more item to wash, and that's the water tank. I'm gonna quickly dry them. Okay, let's put it back into the machine and get started with the initial setup of the machine. Now you're gonna select your language here. So you have Spanish, French, not so sure this one because I don't speak it definitely. All right, so various different languages here. So you have Korean, Chinese, Japanese. So many different languages. So I'm gonna set up as English. So hit OK. US. All right, so I'm gonna set the time right now. Okay, 6:07 p.m. right now. Okay, so setup is successfully complete. So pretty straightforward here. The first time you want to fill and replace the water container. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up the water. Okay, I usually pour in some filter water that I have for drinking water at home. So even though the water container here seems to be thin, but actually hold at least like 1.3 liters of water. Okay, so just gonna wipe that out. Alright, just gonna put this in. Alright, so it's automatically preheating. Alright, so it will go through the rinse. So rinsing the appliance right now. Okay, I'm also gonna insert the milk pipe in here in case it goes through the flush. All right, so yeah, it's select a drink now. So that's your initial setup. Stay tuned for my second part here where I am going to create my own profile for the drinks, and I'm gonna show you the different drinks that this machine can do. I hope you enjoyed this video of my unboxing of my Miele coffee machine, the Miele 6150. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell notification for our latest video update. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my part 2 of this detailed review and setup of my profile of the Miele coffee machine.